I'm Miss Goh, HOD of Math.
And I'm Mr. Wilson, the subject head for mathematics.
When faced with a problem, what do you feel?
Usually, I'm determined to solve the problem no matter how difficult it could be.
If you're like Mr. Wilson, you have the perseverance to resolve issues in everyday life. Having resilience in problem solving indicates that you may have a strong interest in math, as the discipline is about solving real-world situations.
Now, in real-world situations, mathematicians persevere and apply their problem-solving skills to improve productivity and making decisions. That is why those who chose this option may be more interested in mathematics.
If you want to find out more, do watch our other videos.